Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now select lock screen and security, tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it. Then you need to enter your login methods, just continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you need to select when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Now when I turn off my screen and following that, turn it back on. Sorry. Come on. Over here? Okay. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!